Ladies and gentlemen, on a very cloudy and overcast Sunday morning, we wake up to this. Yes, the gathering of the Proton Satria R3 of 2004 and peppered by a few other notable R3 models as well. You can see the R3 Lotus Racing, R3 Satria New S2000, RS, and many more Satria R3s from 2004. Zoom skip. Just look at that. There seems to be some sort of commotion there. Tak apa benda. Let's have a closer look at what we have today. All of these cars, as I see, are nicely preserved and taken care of their owners. And some even have been restored. That is care, commitment, and passion. Finest examples of it. Of the owners here and some notable people from the industry back then. It feels like 204 right over again. Good times. In the end, I saw a nice Iris 2019 model, and it looks like it's been kitted up or geared up for a drive. I think. And now they are positioning themselves for a photo shoot. Nampak macam album cover pun ada.